ending in divorce. How exactly do people deal with refinancing in that situation? Let's bring in our mortgage and credit expert, Rodney Anderson, with Supreme Lending to talk about that. Rodney, good morning.
Good morning, Mike. Good morning, everyone. We see divorce being very prevalent as the economy is improving. We're seeing it happen more and more. Well, normally the judge is now starting to tell people that you have 90 days or 180 days to refinance the mortgage to get the ex-spouse off. If you are the ex-spouse that is not going to be living in the house, you definitely want the spouse that will be. Well, you want them to refinance because there's a difference between being financially liable and then being divorce liable. And basically what that means is you can still be liable for that divorce, or excuse me, you can still be liable for that mortgage even though your ex has awarded the house. Yes, it can hurt your credit. So if they make late payments, well, it can still affect your credit and your credit score. Mike, we see this a lot. I invite people to give us a call regarding this because we see about 1,200 divorce cases every single year.
A lot of questions. You guys have the answers. Rodney, the phone number and the website.
Again, calls right now. We open at 7:30 every morning, 1-800-EXPRESS. Or you can always apply online at RodneyAnderson.com.
The law firm of Godwin Lewis, P.C. presents Donald E. Godwin, speaking behind the headlines.
Sometimes achieving the best legal outcome for a client is when an attorney realizes that it makes good sense to refer the case to another lawyer. One example is when a divorce case or other family law matter might benefit from a highly experienced and knowledgeable team of attorneys. In this situation, the referring lawyer is putting the client's interest first and setting an example of leadership and cooperation. In many ways, the practice of law, like the practice of medicine, has become so complex and sophisticated that the margins of distinction are best defined by degrees of specialization. The bottom line is that the client's interest must always come first, and delivering the highest level of representation, which may be through referral, should be the lawyer's top priority. I'm Donald Lee Godwin of the law firm Godwin Lewis, and these are my comments behind the headlines.
Godwin Lewis, providing mission-critical litigation and appellate representation for individuals and corporations. Offices in Dallas, Houston, and Plano.
Here are some of our top stories today.
I'm Cameron Fairchild on the SMU campus. Fraternity Brothers mounting a social media campaign to find a missing SMU student.
In a Fort Worth community, rallies to get a vandalized school back on its feet.
Mike Rogers, Alice Rios, and Scott Shams with you. Your news all day. 8 o'clock.
CBS News, I'm Frank Sedatani. Hollywood, Broadway, and TV have lost a legendary man of all seasons. Mike Nichols died last night. Live to CBS News correspondent Heather Bosch.
He wore many hats, but was probably best known for directing great American films, from Who's Afraid of Virginia Woolf to The Odd Couple and
Mrs. Robinson, you're trying to seduce me.
The Graduate, for which he won an Oscar. Nichols' career spanned 50 years. So did his praise for projects like Angels in America.